little more out of your reach.
The exciting keyboard. We have Tom has a theory that he brought the drum over here from his toy so that he could step on the drum. Oh, you're giving him the power cord. That's so sweet of you, honey. Is he going to put the end in his mouth now?
It's mad safe.
But it's not my safe.
Yep. And you're going to step on it? Yeah. Fortunately, you're easily distractible. Oh yeah, now you're stepping on that. Uh-oh, flashing lights. Where's the dad? Yeah. Who's that? There's the
Hi. No, you don't have to crawl. Oh. Oh well. You'll walk on your own time.